Hi everyone, and welcome to Renew, Reuse, Restore. This is my husband Randy, and I'm Laura, and we're going to show you the house that we purchased.
Welcome to our fixer-upper home. It hasn't been loved in quite a while. There are overgrown shrubs and some dead trees, and this all promotes mold growth on the roof and the sides of the house. So we will be having a tree removal company take down the large trees and the dead trees that are a liability to the house. We will be removing and transplanting the shrubbery around the house, and we will see what we can save, but the large shrubbery is infested with bees, and so they will need to be removed. And we are going to remove this fence also. My husband and son are getting the trailer ready, and the Bobcat started to begin removing the fence. They have most of the fencing out. They are going to get the rails out and the rest of the posts out with the help of the Bobcat and the chain. Already looking so much better with the fence taken out. I can't wait to see what it's going to look like when all the shrubs are out. Here we're just dropping off the shrubs to be composted into mulch. The dump trailer has really worked great for dumping the shrubs.
Have a few more rhododendrons to take out and an azalea bush there, but we've already transplanted some hostas here, and we transplanted a rhododendron over here on the corner and a spirea. So just thinning out some of the things we were able to reuse what we had. Over around this side, I have coral bells there in front of that slider that we're going to move somewhere. We moved the lilac bush to this corner, a hosta, and we used the burning bush, we removed that and put that right beyond those Bilko doors.
All the front shrubbery has now been removed, and you can see how much mold is on the siding, and that will need to be cleaned. And the guys are just getting ready to take another load of shrubbery to the compost station. My husband and son did a really good job just by going slow and being very careful as they lifted these rhododendrons. They have all been saved and have survived the transplant. This is from the large oak tree that was taken down in the back, and we're going to take it to the mill and have some planks made out of it. And I'm just going to walk around and show you the rest of the trees. The front where the maple was, that's been taken down. These are some pictures I took of the house after we put landscape stone in. The next project was to tackle the mold that was on the siding. I used about a half of a cup of Pool Essentials cleaner that I bought at Walmart, and I diluted that into a bucket of water. I then used a soft car wash brush to scrub the mold off, and then I rinsed it with just some plain water. So this is the side that I've already washed of the aluminum siding, and this side over here is the side that hasn't been washed yet. So I'm going to show you how I cleaned this with the solution, a scrub brush, and some water. I really didn't need to scrub that hard to get the mold off. The solution did a great job of working on the mold. You can see the difference there on the left side that hasn't been cleaned and where it has been cleaned around the window. I just wanted to show you a close-up of the mold that's behind the air conditioning unit and near the electrical panel. And this is how clean those areas became after using the pool cleaner. Here's the before and after. I feel like the house, if it could talk, was saying thank you for letting me breathe again. What do you think of the transformation so far of our fixer-upper house? If you like it, please click the thumbs up button, subscribe, or comment below. Thanks for watching.